Hello friends and family from Universal Studios, and happy Black Friday. Today we're going to be braving the crowds, check some of the posted wait times, and also do a merch search in Universal Studios. Judging by just the way getting into the park today and through security, I'm betting it's going to be pretty busy. So we're going to do the brunt work for you guys, and we'll see how busy Universal Studios is on Black Friday. But before we get started, if you would smash that like button and subscribe so that you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would really appreciate it. Looks like right out front of Cinemark here at Universal Studios, they have some new Ghostbusters merchandise right here. Like, look at this right here. They have a Proton Pack for Ghostbusters, and these are $37. Then also, right down here, look at that. This is amazing. This is really cool. They have this right here. Looks like a microphone of some sort, and this is $27. Also, they have a really nice hoodie right here. I ain't afraid of no ghost. And this is $60. Continuing down here, we have some Ghostbusters. Look at that, we got Slimer. Looks like he kind of throws up there a little bit. Oh, and these are $16. And then for $40, we have this Ghostbusters toy gun right here. It looks like you get 3 bullets with 3 different facial expressions. One quick little update while I'm making my way here to Studios. Voodoo Donuts actually has a mobile order pickup right here in City Walk now. So in case you're interested in a mobile order, you can pick it up right here. Before we head on into Studios, I do want to bring to everybody's attention that Universal Studios is having the holiday parade featuring Macy's right now from November 13th to January 2nd. And also over in Islands of Adventure, they have Grinchmas going on. I'll leave a link in the description box below to our video. We were here opening night for the holiday parade featuring Macy's and Grinchmas. And we're also doing a really sweet holiday giveaway as well. I'll put that video so you guys can get entered in the description box below as well. Look at this though, guys. I haven't seen this many people coming on in through City Walk into Studios in quite some time, probably since Halloween Horror Nights. It does look like they have all of the booths open right here, even the ones in the center, for the guests to be able to enter the park. Definitely a tall tale here of a very busy day. First things first, I want to check out some of the posted wait times here for Black Friday. We have Shrek 4D, was that 60 minutes? Then we have, look at this, Escape from Gringotts 180, Fast and Furious 40 minutes. The Macy's parade is tonight at 5:30 p.m. Despicable Me 80 minutes, E.T. 60 minutes, then Hollywood Rip Ride Rock at 150 minutes. Those are some hefty wait times here for Black Friday at Universal, that's for sure. But I want to head on into the main store right here and check on any of that Halloween Horror Nights merchandise to see if it got further discounted. And then I want to head into a bunch of stores here that I don't normally go in and check out the merchandise they have as well. One thing that always catches my eye is this Grinch Spirit jersey right here. The Grinch is actually really sparkly. Then on the back it says the Grinch in really big writing. Like, these are so amazing. And it's a very soft material. These are $55 though. I feel like that's a really good deal. Oh, and then they have a really cute Max plush right here for $17. Then for $28, they have a Universal's Holiday Parade featuring Macy's t-shirt. I haven't seen this before. This one is really, really cool. Then over here we have a Grinch magnet set, and these are $15. Then we have a bunch of really nice ornaments right here. These are all $19, it looks like. We got some Who's, a little Cindy Lou Who. Oh, we got one of Max over here. What I really like about these is they're kind of like engraved on the back. The Grinch, Dr. Seuss. And I love these ones right here. We have Confrontation for $18, and then the Jaws attraction as well. For $14, they have the Earl the Squirrel Universal Studios light up pin. Isn't that adorable? I don't think I've seen this one before. Then also right over here, look at this. It's like a little snowflake right here. Universal Studios. And these are $11. I believe these are a magnet. So I didn't see any of the Halloween Horror Nights merchandise left in the main store there, but we could also check Five and Dime, and it's a wrap on the way out. But I think I'm gonna head on into Hello Kitty store, because I don't think I've ever been in here before, and check out some of the merchandise here. For $5.95, I love these Hello Kitty with the Jaws nod right here. These are coasters, which are really cool. And also these notebooks right here, again featuring Jaws and Hello Kitty for $15.95. And right down here, we have a t-shirt right here with Kong and Hello Kitty. Isn't that adorable? For $35. We have a t-shirt right here with Hello Kitty and Fast and Furious for $28. And I really, really like this poster right here with E.T. and Hello Kitty. Look at that. This is so fun. I didn't even know they had this. And these are $16.95. Then for $60, you can also get your Hello Kitty doing cosplay, it says. How fun is this? It looks like something from a Comic-Con. That's really cute. Has a reversible hoodie. We have a women's t-shirt right here, Back to the Future and Hello Kitty for $29.95. And we also have a poster right here, Back to the Future with Hello Kitty. And look at this Jurassic Park Hello Kitty shirt. This one is so fun. These ones here are $38. Like, this is just amazing. Then they also have a coaster for that as well. Jurassic Park and Hello Kitty. You could also get your picture taken right here in the storefront with Hello Kitty. Isn't that fun? Look at her. Our next stop is going to be right here at the Five and Dime. We'll check for that Halloween Horror Nights merchandise for further markdowns. Right off the bat, we're still kind of greeted in the entrance here with a bunch of different Halloween Horror Night items, like the Leatherface t-shirt. They still have the 30 Years, 30 Fears ringer tee right here. These are $35. It does look like everything is still 50% off, but I really love the Jack wall sign right here. This is wooden. This is just amazing. And then also these cups that they have right here. How cool are these? Like, Jack looks amazing there. Then you even have Chucky. These are $16 with 50% off. And these tumblers right here, these were $29, I believe. These are the Artist Series. It's a live Universal Halloween Horror Nights with Frankenstein's monster. Correct. These are, oh, there we got Bride of Frankenstein. These are so cool. For $30, they still have the Artist Series matching t-shirt to that mug, and these are 50% off as well. So these are only $15 right now. And they still have some of the women's Wicked Divas t-shirts as well. These are $40 with 50% off. So these are only $20 right now. Definitely still very cool to see that they still have Halloween Horror Nights merchandise for sale. I'm hoping we can get it for 70% off, because a pro tip, if you have an annual pass, you could also combine it with that as well and get a further discount. Oh, look at this. It looks like they moved the Marilyn Monroe and the Diamond Bella stage over here by the Central Park entrance where they do the cinematic celebration. Isn't that amazing? And it's very well decorated as well here. Huh. There's the spot right there for the director. I think our next stop, we're gonna head on into Spongebob Store pans. We'll check out all the amazing theming and some of the merchandise. Look at SpongeBob up there. Doesn't he seem so happy? I love that. And also, usually there's character meet and greets right here in this window. Check out all these jellyfish right here. They change colors like red and blue. These are lining the ceiling in here. Right off the bat, we have a souvenir sipper right here for $15.99. With purchase of sipper, first fill is free. Then also down here, look at SpongeBob right there. We got a t-shirt for $25. Check out this sign right here, customer service. They're out to lunch. Look at their seat. It looks like Patrick here is in the jellyfish fields trying to catch them right there. For $14, they have SpongeBob cups right here with your name on there. I feel like this is a really good kind of thing to take home. And then also for $9, they have these bracelets, again with your names on them. They say Spongebob Store pants at Universal Studios. You get both SpongeBob and Patrick on there. These really large SpongeBob plushies right here are only $29.95. But I also love some of this Patrick starfish. Look at this, it's an art figure. How cool is this? I don't think I've ever seen that before. Then they also have some various socks down here for $17 featuring both SpongeBob and Patrick. For $19.95 they have this Squidward Youth t-shirt right here. I really like this one actually. And then look at this. How adorable is this plushie right here for $22? Then for $19.95 they also have this SpongeBob t-shirt right here. And it actually has Nickelodeon right here as a tag. Then we have Patrick as well for $19.95 with that same little Nickelodeon emblem there. But how amazing is this SpongeBob Christmas tree? It is so bright, and there's the pineapple under the sea. This one in the store is so amazing. Then right here, there's a really great photo op with the actual pineapple under the sea. And for $82, they have a Nickelodeon Loungefly SpongeBob as well. That is really cool. Then down here, they have a women's SpongeBob t-shirt right here. It has rhinestones for $34.95, and it says Universal Studios on the sleeve. These men's shirts right here, Mr. Wonderful with Squidward, is $25. Then they also have another Squidward shirt right here with a bunch of different facial expressions, which are all the same, for $25. Then for $12.95, of course, you have to get the Krusty Krab mug right here, home of the Krabby Patty, for only $12.95. Seriously, SpongeBob Store pants was seriously so amazing. The theming in there is so good. And it has some really cool merchandise. Like, I've never actually walked through there and taken the time to check that out. Look at this, it looks like we're perfect timing here for the Despicable Me Minions little cavalcade here coming out. We got Gru and the girls. Look at her, she's dressed up as an angel. How cute is that? This is amazing. I haven't seen this one yet. It says skate repair. Look at Gru, hello. Pointing at you. Look at how adorable this is. This is amazing. Aww. Look at this. Beetlejuice is even doing meet and greets right here out in front of the horror makeup show. This is amazing. Look at him. I love this. It looks like right here the stand that's normally open for Universal's Mardi Gras has some holiday offerings right here. They have some chocolate pressed s'mores, which sounds delicious. A peanut butter fluff and stuff. Ooh, that sounds so good. Holiday leftovers, cranberry bread filled with turkey, brie cheese with a side of gravy. Hot chocolate, s'mores hot chocolate, milk and cookies, and some different eggnogs as well. I think with Revenge of the Mummy going down for refurbishment soon, we should head on into there and check out some of the merchandise they have in there next. Alright, let's head on into Sahara Traders right here. Souvenirs and supplies. I also love the theming out front here with the work, with the scrim, I guess you can call it up right here, established 1923. So right over here we have some women's Mummy t-shirts that actually say the Mummy, and Universal Studios right here, and these are $30. Then right here we have another Mummy one right here with looks like an Egyptian cat, and these ones are $30 as well. But I'm really liking this Revenge of the Mummy one right here. This one is so iconic, for $25 only. For $14.95 you can get your very own Mummy movie poster. Oh, look at these! Get your own headdress as well. I've never seen these before. And these are $9.95. Some of the men's Mummy t-shirts that they have right here, again they say Universal Studios. This one right here is $25. Then they also have this Mummy shirt right here with like a pharaoh. And these ones are $30. And they also have a selection of other ones right here. This one has an Unk in it. These shirts here are all $24.95, but they have 4 different designs. These are really, really cool actually. I like these a lot. And once you get off the attraction, it's always nice to check out some of the different Egyptian props that they have. Like this one right here, you could actually purchase for $1,200. And there's a sign right here. Select Egyptian props and replicas for sale. Please see associate for details. For $17, they have this jewelry box right here. Then they have for $25 a goblet, which is actually really, really ornate. Then for $42, they have evil eye necklaces. I guess there's 3 different ones, but it looks like they only have 1 at the moment. Look at this, you can even purchase original worm snacks here with Mexican spice, cheddar cheese. Like, look at these, that's crazy. And you can also get crickets here, salt and vinegar, and bacon and cheese. Drop a comment down below, are you brave enough to try these? Look at this line right here for Transformers for Black Friday. This wraps all the way around, way back here, and they're suggesting people to use the single riders line. Also another thing to note right here, look at this stage, how beautiful. It's decorated for the holidays right now, and I cannot wait to see Mannheim Steamroller here. All the beautiful snowflakes. It's completely lined with Christmas trees. Like, this is absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at this over here by Rip Ride Rocket. They actually have a booth right here for face painting. This is really, really fun. So mom and dad can go on Rip Ride Rocket and the little kiddos can get their face painted. Also, a very hefty 80-minute wait right here for Despicable Me Minions Mayhem on this Black Friday. On my way out of studios here, I'm going to head over to It's a Wrap and see if they have any more Halloween Horror Night items that we haven't seen over there at the Five and Dime, to see if they maybe are more discounted or not, and just check out some of the items they have here. Because if you guys didn't know, there's a lot of clearance items over here at It's a Wrap on the way out of the park, just a way to save a few dollars. Here we are, It's a Wrap, gifts and mementos. It looks like right off the bat I'm noticing some Jaws merchandise. Like, this looks really cool, this shark right here. Look at this, premium motion statue, Bruce the Shark. This is $52.95. And also they have a Jaws t-shirt. These aren't marked down, but this is $29.95. Oh, here's one we didn't see, the Halloween Horror Nights 2021 t-shirt. These are $30 marked down to $15. Look at this one, Creepin' It Real. They also have this Beetlejuice costume tee right here. This one is really cool. This one is $45 with 50% off. They still have some of the black light reflective Beetlejuice t-shirts, $30 marked down to $15. And they actually say Beetlejuice on the sleeve. And they have some more of the women's Chucky t-shirts right here, batteries included. He wants you for a best friend. And these are now, let's see, they're originally $35 with 50% off, $17.50. I think that'll about do it for today's video. There's plenty of park updates, just a perfect time to be here for the holidays. But Black Friday specifically, very, very busy. If you liked today's video, give it a big thumbs up. And as always, make today awesome.